The reed removal boat was procured under the Etang partnership within the International Water Stewardship Program. Primarily in the dry seasons, the National Water and Sewage Authority NAWASA pumps on an annual basis about 35 million gallons from the lake to augment the water supply for the southern parts of the island, but the water supply hardly meets demand, mainly because of the reed overgrowth. The training is important since the Etang Lake has been identified as a focus area, being placed as Grenada's largest freshwater reservoir. The increased growth of the reeds since the 1970s has impacted the 37 acres of lake at Etang. It is estimated that the lake is now about 12 acres due to the impact by reeds. During a brief opening of the two-day workshop, Minister with responsibility for Forestry and Fisheries, Hon.Alvin Dabreo, outlined what can be done to remedy the situation.
This lake is all natural. It's from a volcano, so it's not something that was done man-made. So it's a part of our heritage and we want to preserve it. So the government has been looking for a solution to solve this problem for many years because both visitors and locals were complaining about the diminishing lake and also the fact that it's so important for the ecosystem. It has a lot of the wetland properties. So it's a very important asset that we have. So with the coming on stream of the International Water Stewardship Program and the formation of the Grenada Water Stakeholders Platform, which comprises of public, private, and civil society sectors and other stakeholders in the water sector, one of the first proposals that received approval for funding was the Grenadapts partnership to help address water availability while improving the attractiveness of the lake. And as we know, Grenadapts is not only used for recreation by the public and visitors. This lake is the second most visited site in Grenada by visitors and locals alike. It is also used by NAWASA during the peak of the dry season for supplying waters to areas of the island that needs it. The Grenadapts partnership objective is to improve the water security and the water quality while enhancing eco-friendly tourism opportunities.
Mr. Trevor Thompson, Chief Land Use Officer within the Ministry of Agriculture and Lands, says the process commenced late 2018 with the aim to save the Etang Lake.
This is a great opportunity for Grenada as a whole. This is one of our major tourist attractions. And I'm sure you observe that over the years it has become smaller and smaller. Right? So we really wanted to address that many years ago. But this is the right time to do it.
A group constituting of public, private and civil society organizations called the Etang Partnership was created with the aim of promoting water security. This is according to Bridget Mayer, the representative at GIZ.
So the aim for the Etang Partnership is to improve water security while also having eco-friendly tourism in mind. And you might wonder why is it necessary to think about water security with the Etang Lake? So in dry seasons, NAWASA pumps water from the Etang Lake to augment the water supply for the south of the island.
The GIZ took the opportunity during Wednesday's event to hand over the yellow fiberglass boat to the Minister with responsibility for Forestry and Fisheries, Hon.Alvin Dabreo. The two-day training is being facilitated by James Carson, the representative from the company WeDo. Reporting for the Ministry of Agriculture's Public Relations Unit, I am Mina Booker.